It's so sad to leave this place.
Wait! Mr. Joystar, you have forgot something.
What?
I'm so sorry.
Bye.
We will miss you, Mr. Joystar. I'm the new principal. Oh my god!
Oh no, my skateboard!
What have you done? Watch where you're going!
Watch where you're going!
Hello class, today I'm your teacher. Let's start.
Is he also a teacher?
6 plus 7. Ran out. I need a new marker. 1 second, class. I need a marker.
How do you like it, Mr. Evitz?
I'm back, class. Continue. What? Oh, something is wrong. Does it smell orange or sucks? I don't understand. Let's try. Delicious! I hate orange. Someone decided to prank me. 1, 2, 3, red light! Huh? Yeah! I know it's yeah! I sense your fear. It smells like orange. Go to the board, Timmy. Solve the problem.
What did I do wrong? Why me?
Can you do it? Wow, Timmy, it's unbelievable. And you get the highest mark. F. And clean the board now, okay?
Clean the board now. Challenge accepted. I'm so cool. I have an idea. Much better. Whoa!
What? Who dares? Very funny. What? What's happened? What is it? Oh my god! Done! I'll do everything myself. I'm the best principal. Timmy. What? Strange.
Timmy, we have a new neighbor. Come home to meet him. Would you like some tea, Mr. Evitz?
Okay, with pleasure. It's so hot.
Sorry, I'll wipe it all out.
Oh no! I can't believe it!
No, it's okay.
Oh, hello, Timmy.
Timmy, meet our new neighbor, Mr. Evitz.
Finally, I'm home. What? I need to fix this. There's no Wi-Fi. Huh?
Hello, Timmy.
Mr. Evis?
So, where did it take you? Back to me. You shall not pass that easy. Solution, password.
Do your homework again. Mr. Evis snore. How do you like that?
What? So Timmy loves music.
Let's freshen up the air.
What are you doing? Stop it!
Okay.
Look, guys!
Look who's on the board of shame.
Yeah, it's our principal.
What? What? What are you doing?
Yay! Woo!
Okay, class. I have to end this. I'm leaving this school. Bye. Nice job, Timmy. I came here to drink Coke and teach children. As you can see, Coke is finished. Hello, kids. I am... Okay, basically, I'm new principal.
No.
Hey, I saw you. We're neighbors now.
Which one to choose? Looking good. No! Ooh, that was close. Ooh. Huh.
You have this much time to get dressed.
Okay, Dad. Where are my clothes? No. Yummy. Gotcha. Nice.
No. No time for breakfast, son. Go to school. Yummy.
Nerd. I don't care. Nice.
Something is not right here. How disrespectful, huh? What? What are you thinking? Who puts legs on the table?
Whatever. Ooh, my pen.
You again, what? Books? To the principal's office now!
No.
You're fired!
Ooh, I'm alive. You are suspended.
Take it. How's the cocoa, son?
It's so yummy. Thanks, Dad. Check it out.
Okay, boss. Aha! Okay, boss.
Something's wrong. Mr. Smith.
Good morning, class. Let's begin. So boring.
Snoring like my grandpa. And he is 90. Huh? My pen. Huh? Oh no, not this! Come on!
I think we are done. No, officer, I swear! Huh? What? Why did you wake me up? Oh, sorry, Mr. Steve. I didn't know that you were sleeping. I will give you more time. Here. Okay, Mr. Smith. I forgive you. This time.
Yes, there is still time!
Oh, Timmy! Cheating is not good.
I can't see anything.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Principal. Hello, Mr. Brown. Attention. Get out. Attention, class. Today is self-government day. Who is gonna be?
I have this! I'm the best! I'm the best! Me!
You.
Huh? Me?
I'm watching you.
Oh, yeah!
The time has come.
Class, this is your new principal. I'll be back.
Thanks, Dad. Yeah, what? I need an assistant. Timmy? Hello, Timmy? You, my assistant.
What? I'm an assistant? Yeah!
My compliment.
Huh?
Clean it up.
Of course.